Ebusia midede Kim Valley when I was say I joined him our Valley's update right on TikTok. I'm also on Facebook with Nana Valley. And then our main channel is on YouTube with Kim Valley. You can subscribe, follow, share, help us build this interesting community together. Of course, ohun waha now you say ye babedi enkomo ye bedi so ye enkomo a ehun hia efa ye kro no ho. Of course, ye nya trending issues bia for the past weeks in Ghana, twegu sa bedim say bebre na ma share videos no. Bebre na so na mo read stories no. Na yeba be share ni na yebe kabum na ya share the impact and the effect of what and where these atrocities are heading to in our country. Yeah, started by only saying Chebia and this military man or this soldier man okosra nadamfo okokosra nadamfo ne no bokusu ata free efiri ho no nadamfo odi nadamfo na ewu osan di ne yere a onyem so ewu na ogya wo mo ba wo owo 3 years etna mbogem na odwane ye. Yes, obi nim sunsum akukudro ebe be share ni mu na minim say we read stories ni bebre wa hwe videos ni bebre na nadamfo ne no bokusu ata free o no fee base best run one ne koba omudi nkomo kama obi ni bia kote ahomim. And this man killed his friend and killed the pregnant wife as well and left the 3-year-old girl behind. Another similar story. And so over Kaya some time ago, this immigration officer nadam for the car nadam for the friend so imagine sika or call cry yere or jenisika or call ye and no so nadam for no ekun no na owie or sin the body in the front ra etuni baby. And also police for yen human almost as soon as asem no ewo court. Na anchebia so and the same similar issue of a brand bi ono so ne nadam for initiate car business nadam for the friend say o beto car ni nti onfa car ni mbra ono so call ya nadam for no ebo opoboni ekun ne hye ne fra car no ono so police once aso no mu asem wo mu ye hu hwemu. All these 3 similar stories happen right here in this country. It happened right here in this country, Ghana. Now, question na me person me bisa ne say what do we need to film now o share sa insem ya ACC very very carefully. I won't say insem no ebemben pa. Na question na me person me bisa ne say is it because say ewia na ebo wo Ghana na say I know ye dey too much ama nipa adwen atochi. And I say ye headed to an era of wickedness. And I ye ko eye ewiase ne ko nim e wo bebia adwenbone aba nipa trim a nipa nsura de ana. Because say we share stories now who say yanku to yanku, friend to friend nti de bia meka say aboe bi beka won sususu a efi ntumem ne oban wo na obetumi di wewu e beka wakoma nti enye obia na ye ne share your success story nipa trim osu nipa hu yehu okukuseku so nipa na jai saman nti de bia nso aya metaka say ye di agro so na yesu ade nti insema aya esisi wo oman mu no insema aya esisi wo kroyi mu insema aya esisi wo amanone insema de bia trending stories and issues are etwagu ekoba inanu. Do not just read some, probably you follow a lot of pages. Anytime I will share any content and I say any trending issue, be it bad or good no. Now also usuya ade efimu. Nti hwe hu ye won yanko fem, hwe hu ye wo circle a wodi agro wo mu. Hwe hu ye wo nipa a woni didi woni no. Na hwe hu ye wo nipa a woni ne share wo success story because aboy be ka efuntum mi obedi wewu no. And you be an energy like ye hu. Good news no. Good news now what down for be pretending say or no will share because it's a good news no. And your good news no. And your good news for that friend and your bad news for him or her. It will be oh congratulations or boy deep down or we just send you one ke your no into ko shedi ma na wa sha se ne obonsa me dwen sa ade nti na anye me we dia mintie no nko embo ye ina anane ya me on pebo ne odwen adwumbone sususu ana wo achew adwumbone bo okura trim so otongum nti akwakoye say of late Ghana nsembone na doso pa and probably share so almost say ayankofo very very dangerous nti ye we need to be very careful about the circle and people we play with, about the people we interact and we share business ideas, success stories, transactions, and so on and so forth with. Because you see, nipa to me, nya akukudro, na we kunimia. Nipa to me nya akukudro, na we yiwe fiase. Nipa to me nya akukudro wo, ewo sika ni breho, obi apeso ye, obi ape shortcut. Oya this mistake, obi be yiwe for. Iti moma yen hwe hu yi. Story we abetwemko. Now, trending story on the board today. Yenshe issue biwaha. Man arrested for allegedly tying 16-year-old son to a quad bike and dragging him on the road. Man arrested for allegedly tying 16-year-old son to a quad bike and dragging him on the road. Say unim quad bike. Go bike na 94 I say I no want to say moto kitwe bi na 94 na mostly we call mountainous areas na say we call places how we hiking and those stuffs na bon say this is wo twa de kama na papa bia sebi o oye bubuafo papa yi wo ba boy we 16 years papa ne say ne ba na so odin na wa warning ne ba ne say mon kwa outside nkobobo ne nkola nkodi agro akola nso say obebobo ebi owo dream so person ye Messi ana Ronaldo ena akola yi want ena osan koi so okobobo ena papa yi watete obubuafo okita eye ya asemu rade papa yi etita akola ya akochi ni bi na out of anger papa yi chichire ne ba no ede ne ball this quad bike na otwi no road ne so uhwe video na otwi no road ne so like ne buafu akola na so ode nti okuno another part of agumoni a ewo ni battery oba time papa o when say mo fra ho am tintide bia no mo fra de you have to exercise patience when dealing with them anyway twi akola ifem na akola ne ton ni ne chi ni ne na ho ina wawai and the resident and say nipa omo ho womo kike mu ni adia chase this man and then they rescue this boy omo de
Nema wa ye bebre aye bia abiti na we na hu de siye faza bi we bai.
Accra Regional Police Public Relations Officer Superintendent Juliana
Nakoma police force so asem no hwe na de asefem ni say obubuafo we yesi na mpo na wode no bokọ court na we jeli na wakọ akode we womo kase womo punish ne pe Ghana fo womo ehunbobo be sorry aye obubuafo won fan chen all this but onipa na otifem wo no adwenbone ikuno adwenbone wo ni tim. So lovely people, whilst we go on with our daily transactions, our daily lifestyle, our various places of work and those stuffs, we must always watch our back because nipa ye no onam koba, nipa ye no on to nsadidi, nipa ye no onum, nipa ye no on di yankombo, onye obia na ope ujie bebre adwenbon aba nipa trim nti nipa wo ba na wahwe wo yi. Ahaya King Valley, Charlie subscribe, share the video, follow across all social media platforms. Let's build this interesting community together. Peace.